friends, running kimono here. So we are in store today over at Walgreens for the week of the 22nd to the 28th. And man, there's a lot of moving parts, a lot of great deals. When you see Dawn Powerwash for 32 cents, I think that has everybody's attention, along with a whole bunch of deals. So at the very end of the video, I'm going to look at two different matchups stacking these two boosters, a 7-back when you spend 25 digital, and the paper, which is a 7-back when you spend 30. I did a bunch of deals last week stacking these two, and the papers were printing for me, so hopefully you can follow along as well, or you have at least one of these to make a deal happen. Because when you can get $14 back on a $30 basket, well, that's half of what you're buying. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video an enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. Again, thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is something really, I haven't seen this in a long time. We got a 4 off a 2 digital coupon for the Dawn Powerwash, and it's $4.99 on sale this week for the one with the trigger and the spray. This is the one that you're going to load. I saw it on the Dollar General app and the Walgreens app, so load it right away. Grabbing 2 of these power washes priced at $4.99 a pop. It's $5.98 for 2 or $2.99 per power wash. If you're doing this deal with no booster, so no paper or digital booster, yes, you can use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or if you have another register reward you want to throw into the mix, by all means go for it. But $2.99 for a product that's usually like $6 at a pharmacy, this is a stock up price. I know every store doesn't carry the refills, but that digital coupon is also attaching to the refills, and the refills are priced at $3.99 this week. Grabbing 2 refills, it'll be $7.98. Subtracting that magic 4 off a 2 digital, make sure that it's attaching. So scan the barcode when you're in the store. You'll pay $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is fantastic. And again, not every store carries the refills. So, I mean, this is one item I would definitely pick up this week for this price point. Also, back to the Persil. Unfortunately, my IBOTTA rebate, poof, that's the magical, they took it away. But hang on to your receipt, guys, because possibly the rebate might reappear. So we got this 2 off of 1 for the Persil. IBOTTA's weird. They show up, they vanish, they show up, they vanish, especially for Persil. This week they're $5.99. So it would basically make this 25 loader $3.99, and my IBOTTA rebate vanished. So yours still might be there. But maybe because I did this so much 2 weeks ago that they were like, oh, we're just going to take it away from her. If you want to use Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use probably up to $4. But even if you think about it, a Persil of this size is usually like $8 or $9 at the pharmacy. So to get it for $4, it's like 50% off, if not a little bit more. Another super deal this week is with the following. We have a $2.50 off that DOWNY Rinse and Refresh, $1 off the Tide liquid. So for this one, you're going to have to really grab an old-fashioned mix and match, like one of each, Make sure everything is tagged as well. A DOWNY Unstoppable Beads. There's another one as well for $5.49, and then also a Tide Pod. You're going to load these 2 magics, the $2.50 off of the DOWNY Fabric Enhancer. For towels, that stuff is magic in a bottle, and then the $2.50 off for the beads, and then we have $1 off for the Tide Pods and $1 off for the laundry. And even though mine say expired, I just loaded them, so sometimes on Sunday it does that weird and goofy thing. The coupons are still there. And here's the promotion, guys. The $5.49 P&G Laundry Care, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. So grabbing 4, a mix and match of them, it's $21.96, $7 in digital coupons. Like, here's the thing. I'm going to be really honest. We haven't seen $7 of digital coupons off of our laundry care in a really long time. You'll pay $14.46, get back a $5 register reward, making it $9.96 for the 4 or $2.49 per laundry care product. Hi. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but if you're going to use the booster, you have to pay the balance with your debit card. But $2.49 stock up price. We also have the larger Gain products for $9.99, a fabric softener, the beads, or the liquid detergent that is priced at $9.99. Part of the promotion of buy two, get back a $5 register reward. Look for it tagged at your store. We also have $2 digitals for the fabric enhancer and the liquid. And again, it's doing that dumb expired thing, but the coupons are not expired. So grabbing two of these laundry care products at $9.99, please make sure it's tagged with the promotion in your store. Subtracting $4 in digitals, a $2 off the liquid detergent and a $2 off the fabric enhancer. You're paying $15.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the two or $5.49 for these larger Gain products. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, the next couple deals are just meat and potato stock ups. The Air Effects this week. So these trigger sprays by Febreze. We have a $3.50 off a two. So it's either the small spaces or the cans of the Air Effect spray. And just they're $3.49 on sale this week, and with that coupon it just basically makes it a buy one get one free, which we love. So grabbing two of these, it's going to be $6.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.49 for the two, or a $1.74 per Air Effect, which is definitely a stock up price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The entire fleet of Arm & Hammer laundry care product, the smaller ones, are $1.99. Scent boosters, laundry pods, and the liquid. The pods and the scent boosters, the biggest bang for your buck, because the liquid laundry care is like, it's very teeny tiny. But three of these at $1.99 is $5.97. If you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, or if you have a register reward burning a hole in your pocket, by all means, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But what a great deal. Any way you slice the pie on this one, because especially with the scent beads, if you know that stuff is expensive, so this is not a bad deal. I'm also so delighted that the 88-cent Walgreens food storage bags are back at that price point this week, because they had been playing around with the price the last couple of weeks. But if you grab 6 of these, it's $5.28. Use $5 in Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Or if you're doing a booster deal and you need something for 88 cents just to fill in that final to get you to 25 or 30 bucks. It's a fantastic little item. I'm definitely stocking up on these. If you are a home cook or you like to make things or store things in these bags, it's a great price point. Another great deal this week is with the Colgate. And I'm sorry, guys, I don't have the digital coupon to show you guys because I used it last week. The promotion for this is $4.50, $4 reward when you buy two with the 4 off a 2 digital coupon, and I already used mine last week. But two of these will be $9. Subtracting that 4 off a 2, you're paying $5. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. There was some Colgate Optic White on clearance last week that was printing the register reward, so look if it's tagged and do your due diligence and homework. Alternatively, if you want to grab the toothbrushes, there's a different digital coupon for that as well, and it's on the same promotion, but you'd have to do it in 2 separate transactions, one for the paste and one for the brushes, because the register reward will only print once per transaction, but you already knew that. The Head & Shoulders Bear is $10 this week, which is a fabulous price point. You can do this deal curbside or you can do it in store. We have a 5 off of 1. This is an only for you, plus a 4 off of 1. That's $9 in coupons for the Head & Shoulders. And to buy 2 of these, you get back a $4 register reward. If your store is just like a mess and nothing ever prints, you can do this curbside as well. 2 of these for $20. Subtracting that $9 digitals coupons, the 5 and the 4, you're paying $11, getting back a $4 register reward, 7 for 2 or $3.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And Fetch Rewards had this progressive, I think it was spend 20 to earn back 2. You might want to check that out, but not a bad little deal for this fancier Head & Shoulders. Cheaper Garnier deal on this shampoo. Alternatively, if this is too much, they often bring this shampoo for $1 or less most weeks, but if you're in desperate need, load this cutie, this 4 off of 2 coupon. There's also a 3 off of 2, so you'd have to remove the other one, so the bigger one will come off first. 2 of the fructises at $6 and some change is $12.58. Subtracting that 4 off of 2, you're paying $8.58, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $4.58 for the 2 or $2.29 per shampoo. If you're doing the deal with no booster, yes, you can use $4 in Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, so not a bad little deal. The Axe body wash is $5 this week. When you buy 2, you're getting back a $2 register reward. Last week we got a $5 digital to go with it. Unfortunately, I used mine, so I can't show it to you guys. But grabbing 2 of these, it's $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5, getting back a $2 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per body wash. Yes, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now I'm going to talk about the double stack, guys. A digital and a paper, and these are boosters for all the new shoppers. What's a booster? These are the boosters. So the bottom one is a spend 30 to earn back 7. Top is a digital, 7 back when you spend 25. And after my transaction, the $14 in Walgreens cash will appear in my account. Okay, so I went through all the digital coupons in the last couple of slides, so we're just going to go through this one more time. 4 of those P&G laundry care products is $21.96. And remember, class, we really have to grab a mix and match, so the $7 of digitals will apply. 2 Axe body washes for $10 for a total of $31.96. You have your digital booster loaded. You get the cashier to scan your paper booster. You have $12 in digitals melting off, 5 for Axe and 7 for that P&G laundry care. So you're paying $19.96 with your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. You're getting back $14 in Walgreens cash, $7 in register rewards, 5 for P&G laundry care and 2 for Axe. It makes this free plus $1 moneymaker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using the 7 back when you spend 25 and the 7 back when you're spending 30. But this stack, if you can line it up, I mean, there's nothing better than a free and money maker. Now, I know everybody probably used that Axe coupon last week. If you didn't use it, let's look at an alternative deal. Kind of augmented this one, but we're going to run through it very quickly. 4 P&G laundry care products for $21.96, 2 Dawn power washes for $9.98. I know the refills are better deal, but not everybody can track them down. So the total is $31.94. Have your digital booster loaded. Scan that paper booster. You have $11 in digitals melting off, 7 for P&G and 4 for Dawn. $20.94 with your debit card. You're getting back $14 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward. That's 19 back. It makes it $1.94 for the 6 products or 32 cents each. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but what a deal. Go and make these happen, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.